Okay, to get to the clogged area, which is here, we need to take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. So we will start with this back screw. You can see it's back here. Our last screw is over here on the corner. So the belt is located here. And you basically lift it up. And the piece comes off, and you can see this needs cleaning. This needs cleaning as well. We'll lay that blue piece to the side, and you can see how this looks 100% clogged. So this vacuum cleaner was basically not even working correctly. So we're going to clean that out. So we're going to clean this residue out right here, this dust. You can see there's quite a bit of blockage. Looks like 100% blockage. Now you can see you have a lot of fibers and debris wrapped around this roller. The way I do it, you don't really have to take the roller out, but the way I do it is just take a utility knife, and you can see you can remove large pieces of the fiber that's wrapped around the roller here. And so you want to try to clean all of that off. And our hole is cleaned out, our intake is cleaned out right here. And we'll finish cleaning it up, and we should be good to go. Okay, here you can see we've cleaned most of the fibers around the roller here. There's the belt. You can see the belt. The belt looks in great shape. We're gonna come back over here, and you can see now the hole is clear. We've removed all the debris, so this vacuum cleaner should work really good now. We're gonna put it back together. Okay, we've cleaned our blue plate, and we're going to go ahead and snap that back on. It's better to snap in the, you can see there's some clips here. Hopefully you can see those clips. So clip it on the front side first. And it'll snap back into place. And then you go ahead and start putting your screws back in. It really does not matter the order in which you put the screws, in my opinion. You don't want to over tighten them, you just want to snug them good. And you have a good, excellent working vacuum cleaner now. It's cleaned out. The intake is clear. The roller has no more fibers or any other debris. You should be good to go. I'll put the remaining screws in. Thanks for watching the video.